Hello, and welcome to the Vintage Brickery. My name is Travis, and today we have the start of I'm gonna have a little series. I think there's gonna be like maybe 4 videos or so. There's gonna be the Mtron series. I haven't done any Mtron on this channel yet, so this will be pretty cool. Now, I'll probably save the stop motion until the end of the series and do something with all of them, something like that. So we'll see. But the first one I'm going to be doing 2 in this video, 2 smaller ones. This first one is set number 1478. It is the mobile satellite uplink. It was released in 1991. Got 25 parts and 1 minifigure. All right, let's get this going. Start with the minifigure, of course. I have to go over to my instructions. All right, up there is the Mtron logo there on the front there. Make sure that's in. There we go. All right, got the black hips, white legs. Got the classic head. Black helmet. The trans neon green visor. Get it on there. There we go. Now he does have, oh yeah, that's right, he does have tanks. Got the black tanks, black air tanks. All right, there we go. Into the side there. All right, let's scroll down. I got a couple of plates there with the wheel holders. 2x2 plate with the wheel holder and the smaller pin. I gotta get all these in the middle of these things. Let's see. Let's set these on here. 1, 2. Alright. Now I've got the hinge here. That put together there. And we got, let's see. Make sure I get these on the right side. Alright. One goes there. One goes back in the middle of this back section here. Alright. Kind of the odd thing about this set is why this one, why they don't have the Mtron logo on the front of these, on the front of this one. So, but it doesn't. Kind of strange. Got a brick back there. Going down a little bit. Here. Alright. We got the control panel on the front there. Alright. Here. Stay back here for a second. Put on this 1x3. Got the horizontal clip. Call that the 1x1 plate with modified with horizontal clip. It holds things horizontally. It took me a little bit to figure that out. Like, why is it called horizontal? The clip's not horizontal, it's vertical. but because it holds things either horizontally or vertically. So, all right, let's see. I go. Oh, I see. Okay, took me a second to figure out what was going on there. Actually, it comes on right here. I got the other one on that side. That's supposed to have trans neon green antenna there. The face is backwards there. And let's see, where is that supposed to be? I don't see where it's supposed to be anywhere. Well, okay. That's kind of odd. I have that in there. And from what I see, it's not supposed to be in there. I may have to do a little bit of research here for a second. But I'll go ahead and put the wheels on. Get them in there. Come on. There we go. Use fat moon dust or wheels. Go over the surface of the moon, or whatever planet they're on, I guess. All right. Right inside here. And there we go. Just a simple little thing. A lot of action. It's wild, isn't it? This thing goes up and down and back. Got the movement here. This. It's quite a setup for such a little thing. Anyway, all right. Well, there's the first set. Be right back. Okay, before I get to the second one, I actually did find out finally. It took me a minute because the instructions are pretty blurry. I found out that it goes in right there. See if I can actually, I may have to move this out of the way. It goes right in here. It faces forward. Just like that. So you can see why I couldn't really see it, because on the screen everything's black, so it's kind of everything blends in. All right. There we go. Okay. All right. Be right back with the second one. Okay. Now we have coming up the set number 6833, a beacon tracer. Yeah, this one was released, actually, it looks like a year before, 1990. It's got 34 parts in one minifigure. I think it's actually the same minifigure. I think so, yeah. Same deal. Classic head. Yeah. Oops. I don't know why I keep doing that. always forget to put the thing on the neck first, whatever it is. Tanks or cape or something. On there, same. Trans green. They're big on the trans neon green in the M-Tron series. Alright, there we go. And right there. Alright, get over to my instructions. Alright, got there. Okay, let's see if we can. Actually, let's me zoom in a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Okay, looks like. There's that. This one. It's a red one this time. This one. I can see that one. Here it goes there. Got these two light orders here with the thick ring. Alright. And I've got two. Oh, looks like well, let's see here. Look again here. Well, here, give me just a second. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It took me a second to figure out what the heck they were showing there. And here's what I thought it was a 2x2 plate that went there, but it's actually a little 2x2 corner piece. And then off the back, it's got this piece here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I have an imposter. I have an imposter. Looky there. Where did that guy come from? That's not a Lego. Okay. Say goodbye to my little friend. Okay, problem corrected. There we go. Come on. Lego. The real McCoy. Alright. Those things, I don't know what those are. They're not mega blocks. I'm not sure what they are. But they will creep in every once in a while. I don't know. Now what happens? Alright. Get these here put together. More hinges. Oops. Okay, let's see. I have one here. Yep. One there and one here. And I've got the same control panel as the other one. This piece here, printed, it's got the 7 yellow lines on it. It's right back there. And let's see. Now flip it over. Yeah, flip it over. Got one that goes all the way up here. This thing has a rake to it. Like a 70s hot rod here. Okay, well, another Gremlin. Not only did I have a fakery on me on this one, but I was also missing these two guys. I don't know why. But I guess when you're putting together hundreds of sets, it's bound to fall through the cracks, I guess. Like, oh, I've got them all, and nope. So, anyway. Alright. Alright, go down to the next part here. Alright. Got the windscreen, goes on the front here. Get this on here. There we go. And I've got the antenna. That'll be like that clicked in there. Oh. What the heck? What in the heck is going on here? Looks like I'm missing 2 more of those things. Good grief. Okay. Good grief. I understand missing 2 of them, but missing all 4 of them? I don't know. I must have been sleeping when I put this one together. Okay. And here's got the grill, but it does have no bottom groove. Like pointing these things out. Okay, and these on the back here. He's got, I'm pointing out this one too. This is the, come on now. I get it? Come on. Anyway, there it is. The compact handle. That's right, compact handle. Correct piece. There we go. Yeah, I got the same kind of wheels on this one as the other. Oops. Stick these on there. No. Sometimes these little wheels here, sometimes they're like kind of strange, melt. And the little outside rim on there gets like deformed. It's really bizarre. Alright. Get him inside. Okay. Move this up here. Get him in there. Well. Okay. What is the deal? There we go. Finally. Alright, there we go. Why is that not rolling? There we go. Alright. Alright, there's that little thing too. There again, a lot of action. I don't know why he's still not sitting there very good. Come on, brother. There we go. He's on our back up here. Intron logo. Windscreen. Alright. There we go. Well, let's check out the before and after. All right, there we go. A couple of cool little M-Tron sets there. Like I said, I've got a couple more. I think I've got 2 more videos coming. Each one gets a little more complex, so it should be quite exciting. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next build.